Check out this 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, steering wheel controls, traction control, fog lamps and privacy glass. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.